So now we'll start the problem number 5. On 1st April, the estimated cash balance for a firm is rupees 40,000. The beginning of the budget period is 1st April. 40,000 opening cash balance. Further details are, the data is given for April, May, June, July, August, September. 6 months data is given from April to September. Sales are given, material purchases, salaries and wages, production overheads, selling and office and selling overheads. So sales will be taken under cash inflows, receipts of cash, whereas material purchase, salaries, production overhead, office and selling, all these are payments. Tax rate, the tax rate for the firm is 30%. Actually tax will be applied on income, but we are not preparing any income of profitability statement. We are not making, we are making a cash budget. So we calculate what is the surplus or deficit. Surplus we treat it as profit and deficit is a loss. So on that surplus, that means A minus B, whatever surplus we get, on that we'll apply the tax rate at 30%. And in the month of May and July, payments for the assets acquired are to be paid, and they are 3,800, 11,000. So assets are to be purchased and payments are to be made in the month of July, May and July. Bank loan of 20,000 is expected in June 2004. So only in 1 month we have cash inflow, receipt, June 2004. A dividend of 17,500 is to be paid in October, only one payment, October dividend. Debtors are allowed 1 month's credit period. It's very easy. Whatever are the credit sales of April, the collection will be made in May. May का जो credit sale होगा, next June में collection करेंगे. 1 month credit period we are allowing to customers. And debtors are allowed 1 month's credit, and creditors for metal purchase and overheads offer 1 month credit. We are allowing 1 month credit period to the debtors, and we are getting 1 month credit period from creditors for purchases. तो जो purchase होंगे उसके next month में payment करेंगे. जैसा सेल करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट मंथ कलेक्शन होगा, उसी तरह परचेज जब करेंगे तो उसका पेमेंट नेक्स्ट मंथ करेंगे. और ओवरहेड्स आर आल्सो देयर इज अ डिले ऑफ 1 मंथ. ओवरहेड का जो पेमेंट भी करेंगे वो नेक्स्ट मंथ में पे करेंगे. 50% ऑफ टोटल सेल्स आर फॉर कैश. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू डिवाइड द टोटल सेल्स इनटू कैश सेल्स एंड क्रेडिट सेल्स. देन salesman commission at 3% on sales is paid every month. So every month 3% commission to salesman. Use the above data and prepare a cash budget for 6 month period starting from 1st April 2004. So we have to make the cash budget for 6 months beginning from 1st April. So now we'll start 5th problem. Cash budget for 6 months ending 30th September 2004. 6 columns we require for 6 months beginning from April. Cash sales, collection from debtors, and one more receipt is there, that is bank loan. These 3 are the cash receipts. Now cash payments. The first cash payment is payment to creditors. For purchases. Second, salaries and wages. Third, production overhead. Fourth, office and selling overhead. Fifth, then payment for assets acquired. Payment for assets acquired. Then bank loan we have taken. Dividend. Then we have debtors are allowed. Then salesman's commission. At the rate of 3% on sales. That's all. Totally 7 items are we have. But a dividend of 17,500 is to be paid in October. Our budget ends on September only. In the problem it is given a dividend of 17,500 is to be paid in October. This dividend will not come. Six items are there. Salesman commission. This is B. Surplus or deficit, A minus B. From this we deduct income tax. At the rate of 30%. Then we'll get the balance. To this we add opening balance. We'll get the closing balance. Closing balance, that's it. So this is the complete format of the cash budget. We have taken 3 items: cash sales, collection from debtors, bank loan. It is given in the problem that bank loan is being taken in one of the month. Then payments, payment for creditors for purchase, salaries and wages, production overhead, office and selling overhead, payment for assets acquired, salesman commission. A minus B, you will get surplus or deficit. On this we calculate the tax 30%, we'll get the balance. Then opening balance we add up, we'll get the closing balance. First of all, cash sales. 50% of total sales are cash sales. So we are given the sales are 41,000, 45, 38, 40, 53, 56. Sales दे दिया. उसके आधे sales, half of the sales are cash sales. तो 41,000 का half, 20,500. 22,500, 19,000, then 20,000. Next is 26,500. Last one 28,000. So we have taken 50% of total sales as cash sales. Now remaining 50% are credit sales, and the credit sales are collected in the next month because 1 month credit period is allowed to debtors. It is given debtors are allowed 1 month's credit, 1 महीने का credit period. तो जब credit sale अप्रैल में हो रहा, उसका credit sale collection होगा मई में, मई का जो credit sale collection होगा जून में, right? तो total sales are 41,000. अप्रैल के total sales 41,000 given in the problem. उसके आधे 20,500. These are the cash sales. बाकी का जो आधा है 20,500 वो credit sale है. 20,500 is cash sale, remaining 20,500 is credit sale, and that credit sale will be collected in the month of May. 20,500. Similarly, 45,000 is the total sales of May. It is given in the problem. Problem में दे दिया कि May का total sales 45,000, उसका आधा 22,500 cash sales. 22,000 cash, 22,500 cash sale. Remaining 22,500 are credit sale, और वो credit sale का collection next month में होगा. कौन सा month में? जून. Similarly, 38,000 is the total sales of June. 38,000 का आधा 19,000 we have received in July cash sales. Remaining 19,000 we collect in July. Then 20,000. 26,500. These are the collection from debtors. Now bank loan is being taken in which month? It is given. Bank loan of 20,000 is expected in June 2004. This is June 2004. 20,000 bank loan. 20,000 is collected as bank loan in the month of June. Now we take the total 20,500. Here it is 43,000. Here it is 61,500. 39,000. Then 46,500. 54,500. That's it. Now payment for purchases. Creditors are also allowing us 1 month credit period. तो जो परचेजेस है उसको आने वाले महीने में पे करेंगे. एग्जाम्पल मटेरियल परचेज 12,000. 12,000 are the material purchase for April. This will be paid in May. This will be paid in May 12,000. और May के जो परचेजेस है 15,500. This will be paid in June. 15,500. Then 12,750. 16,000. And last one 17,500. Similarly, salaries and wages. Nothing is given regarding salaries and wages. In adjustment, nothing, no stipulation is given. So we'll take the respective amount, same amount. 6,000 salaries and wages. Then we have 6,500, 5,800, 13,000. Next we have 11,500. Last one 12,000. We have taken salaries and wages. Now production overhead. It is given all overheads. 1 month of time period is allowed. जो अप्रैल का जो ओवरहेड रहेगा वो मई में पे करेंगे, मई के ओवरहेड को जून में पे करेंगे. 1 month. Just like पेमेंट टू परचेजेस. क्रेडिटर्स को जैसा 1 महीने का डिले है, प्रोडक्शन ओवरहेड और सेलिंग ओवरहेड को भी 1 मंथ का डिले है. तो नेक्स्ट मंथ में लेंगे 2,400, 2,850, 2,200, then 2,250, 3,800. Now office and selling overhead 2,600, 3,300, 3,800, 4,300, last one 5,400. Payment of assets acquired, it is given in the problem 3,800 in the month of May and 11,000 in the month of July. And salesman commission 3% on total sales. Total sales are given in the problem 41,000. 41,000 ka 3%, if you calculate 1,230. 3% of total sales. Similarly, the total sales are 45,000. 45,000 ka 3%, 1,350. 1,140. 1,200. 1,590. 1,680. That's all. We have taken all payments. Now we add up the total 7,230. Next one 28,650. Next one 43,950. Then 35,640. Next one is 7,230, 28,650. Again 28,590. 28,590. Then we have 43,950. Next one is 35,640. Last one is 40,380. That's it. Now surplus or deficit A minus B. A minus B. Positive है तो surplus है, negative है तो deficit है. So first we are getting 13,270. Then we have 14,350. Then we have 32,910. Next 4,950. Negative 10,860. Last one is 14,120. These are the surplus. Negative एक आया है, that is deficit. Remaining are surplus. Income tax is 30%. So 30% of 13,270. 13,270, 30%. 3,981. 4,305. Then we have 9,873. Nil. 0. 3,258. Then 4,236. subtract, we will get the balance. Balance is 9,289. Then 10,000, 045. Then 23, 037. 4950 minus 7602. 9884. These are the balances. Opening balance is given in the problem 40,000. On 1st April, opening balance 40,000 given in the problem. Now add up 49,289 is the closing. This closing balance will become opening 49,289. Now you add up 59,334. 59,334. You add up 82,371. 82,371. Here you have to subtract. It is in bracket. Deficit है ये. तो 82,371 minus 4,950. 77,421. 77,421. Then 85,023. Then 85,023 is opening. Last closing 94,907. That's all. This is the cash budget. Complete cash budget. So every problem you are coming across one or two new points. 90% problem, the same provisions are there in every problem of cash budget. Only one or two new points are there that you have to focus, that we have to concentrate. So you have to make a pause of the video, copy down all the complete amounts, format. Then you can the sales forecast for 5 months is as follows. The 5 months sales forecast is given: January 1 lakh, February 1 lakh 20, March 150, April 160, May 155. 5 months sales. Further information is as follows: debtors balance is 50,000 and creditors balance is 20,000, which are yet to be provided. So not yet paid. Yet to be provided means not paid. Unpaid sales commission is 2,500 and cash balance is 10,000 at the beginning. 1st January को cash balance 10,000 है और 1st January को unpaid salesman commission 2,500. These are all the balances at the beginning of the budget period, that is 1st Jan. तो 1st Jan को debtors balance 50,000, creditors balance 20,000 and unpaid sales commission 2,500. Cash balance is 10,000. Opening stock of material is 80,000. 50% of the sales are on cash sales. The first job, you have to divide the total sales into cash sales and credit sales. यानी 1 लाख रुपये में से 50,000 सेल्स कैश सेल्स है, बाकी के 50,000 रुपए के सेल्स क्रेडिट सेल्स. क्रेडिट सेल्स आर कलेक्टेड आफ्टर 30 days. 30 days का मतलब 1 month. तो 1 महीने के बाद, जस्ट लाइक द प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम. अभी प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम में जैसा करें सेम करेंगे. पहले टोटल सेल को बाइफरकेट कर देंगे, 50% कैश सेल्स, 50% क्रेडिट सेल. जो क्रेडिट सेल हो रहा है उसको नेक्स्ट मंथ में कलेक्शन. 5% कमीशन इज टू बी गिवन टू सेल्समैन व्हेन कॉस्ट इज रियलाइज्ड फ्रॉम क्रेडिट सेल्स. कॉस्ट इज रियलाइज्ड फ्रॉम क्रेडिट सेल्स. एक्चुअली रियलाइज कब कर रहे हैं? नेक्स्ट मंथ में कर रहे हैं. जो महीने का सेल है उसके नेक्स्ट मंथ में कलेक्शन कर रहे हैं, वो टाइम पे क्रेडिट कमीशन पे कर रहे हैं. यानी इसका मतलब सिंपल है, कमीशन इज डिलेड फॉर 1 month. कमीशन इज डिलेड फॉर 1 month. ये महीने का जो सेल्स कमीशन होगा वो नेक्स्ट मंथ में पे करेंगे. अब जनवरी पहला महीना है, जनवरी के महीने में जो सेल्स कमीशन पे करेंगे वो दिसंबर लास्ट ईयर के दिसंबर का सेल्स कमीशन जनवरी में, और जनवरी का सेल्स कमीशन फरवरी में, फरवरी का सेल्स कमीशन मार्च में. दैट इज द मीनिंग. तो ओपनिंग सेल्स कमीशन दे दिया उन्हें. अनपेड सेल्स कमीशन इज 2,500. 2,500 रुपए अनपेड सेल्स कमीशन बिगिनिंग ऑफ द ईयर. 1st Jan को ही. 1st January का मतलब दिसंबर का कमीशन था, अब जनवरी में पे करना है. तो 2,500 विल टेक इन जनवरी. और जनवरी का जो सेल 1 लाख रुपीज है, जनवरी का सेल्स 1 लाख रुपीस है, इसका कितना परसेंटेज है? 5%, 5,000 will be paid in February. Will be paid in February. Then stock is 70,000 for January, 80,000 for Feb and 1 lakh for March. ये closing stock दे दिया. Fixed cost are 8,000 including depreciation. Actually depreciation should not be considered. Depreciation लेना ही नहीं है कैश बजट में, लेकिन उन्हें बता रहा 8,000 रुपए में डिप्रिसिएशन भी मिला हुआ है. कितना मिला हुआ है नहीं दिया, तो विल मेक एन अजम्पशन. कुछ भी अजम्पशन कर सकते हैं, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. हम सपोज कर लेंगे 3,000 रुपए डिप्रिसिएशन है, मगर एडजस्टमेंट में लिख देंगे, विल राइट डाउन सिंस डिप्रिसिएशन इज नॉट गिवन वी अज्यूम द अमाउंट ऑफ डिप्रिसिएशन एज 3,000 and that 3,000 depreciation is included in 8,000. So we subtract. वो 3,000 रुपीज डिप्रिसिएशन को 8,000 में से माइनस कर देंगे, तो फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट बचेगा 5,000. तो वी टेक 5,000 इन आवर बजट. ये अजम्पशन के ऊपर है, या नहीं तो छोड़ भी सकते. वर्किंग नोट में लिख देना सिंस डिप्रिसिएशन इज नॉट गिवन वी हैव नॉट डिडक्टेड डिप्रिसिएशन, वी हैव टेकन द कंप्लीट फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट. नाउ चॉइस इज योर्स, बट बेटर वे इज make an amount and take the assumption. You are required to prepare a cash budget for January, February, March. Only 3-month budget we have to make. January, February and March. Cash budget for 3 months ending 31st March. Cash receipts. Cash sales and collection from debtors. Cash payments. Paid to creditors for purchases. Second one is sales commission. Third, fixed cost. That's it, only 3 items. Closing balance. Now we'll start. First of all, the total sales. Total sales are 1 lakh. 1 lakh में से 50% और cash sales. So we take 50,000. January, February, March. 50,000, 60,000, 75,000. 50% sales are cash sales. Remaining 50% are credit sales. Remaining 50% are credit sale. तो 1 लाख रुपये में से 50,000 कैश सेल्स, बाकी के 50,000 रुपए क्रेडिट सेल, एंड क्रेडिट सेल आर कलेक्टेड आफ्टर 1 मंथ. तो ये 50,000 यहाँ पर, और यहाँ पर 120 में से 60 कैश सेल, 60 क्रेडिट सेल. दैट 60,000 विल कलेक्ट इन मार्च. अब जनवरी से पहले दिसंबर, तो दिसंबर के जो डेटार्स हैं वो डेटार्स कलेक्शन करें जनवरी में. तो दिसंबर के डेटार्स कितने थे, प्रॉब्लम में दिया है. डेटार्स बैलेंसेस 50,000. तो बिगिनिंग ऑफ द ईयर डेटार्स बैलेंस 50,000. दिस बिलोंग्स टू दिसंबर. तो दिस 50,000 इज रिकवर्ड नाउ. One lakh 35,000, 1 lakh, 1,10,000, 1,35,000. Payment to creditors for purchase. This we have to make the calculations in working note. In working note, payment to creditors for purchases. Payment to creditors for purchases. Now, to find out the amount paid for purchase, we'll go reverse back. How much is the desired closing inventory? Desired closing stock. It is given in the problem. The desired closing stock to be kept is 70,000 for Jan, then 80,000 for Feb, and 1 lakh rupees for March. To this desired inventory, we add the cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is not given in the problem. Cost of goods sold is not given in the problem. 70,000, 80,000, 1 lakh. From this, total requirement. This is the total less opening stock. Opening stock is given in the problem, stock in the beginning of the year. The opening stock of material is 80,000. Here the closing stock of January will become opening stock of February. This closing stock of January will become opening stock of February. This closing stock of February will become opening stock of March. And this opening stock of January is given in the problem 80,000. Purchase of material. So minus, so it is minus 10,000. Minus 10,000 plus 10,000, 20,000. These are the purchases. These are the purchases. Now payment will be made. Payment will be made 1 month delay. 1 month credit period we are getting from the creditors. तो दिसंबर के जो creditors है वो जनवरी में